Hey guys, I know I haven't made a video in a while. Sorry, I've been kind of busy with some things and been through a lot lately, but that is new. I have no idea what brand it is. All I know is that it came from my neighbor's house across the street, and that is pretty much it. It works fine. Bearings are terrible on it though, but I will make a video of this later on, maybe, if I have time. Just a quick update here. I rehung number 8 back up. Number 7 is no longer with me. It is at my granny's house. I hung it up in what was her dining room. That is now the den area. And then I will figure out how to put pictures on YouTube, so I'll have to keep making videos until I get a camera, because I think my iPod data is getting full already. So this is just a quick video update, and you gotta listen to this thing. Oh, now it decides to be quiet. Well, fix the bearings. It's just humming very loudly. Alright, I'll make another video later. I gotta take this thing down and put the rubber pieces back on it. See ya.